As a homeowner, the roof is one of the most important elements of your property. It protects you from the elements, keeps your home insulated, and adds to the overall aesthetic appeal of your house. Given its crucial role, it's essential to ensure that your roof lasts for as long as possible. That's where Roofing Macomb services come in. Whether you're in need of routine maintenance, repairs, or a full roof replacement, working with experienced roofing professionals can significantly enhance the longevity of your roof. Here's how Roofing Macomb services can help you get the most out of your roof and extend its lifespan. Regular roof inspection. One of the most effective ways Roofing Macomb services can increase the lifespan of your roof is through regular roof inspections. Just like any other major component of your home, your roof experiences wear and tear over time. However, many issues are not immediately visible to the untrained eye. Small cracks, missing shingles, or clogged gutters can easily go unnoticed until they develop into more serious problems. Early problem detection. Roofing experts in Macomb can perform thorough inspections, identifying potential issues before they escalate into costly repairs. Whether it's a damaged shingle, an issue with the flashing, or signs of wear along the edges of the roof, early detection allows you to address problems before they cause significant damage. Routine maintenance. Regular inspections also give professionals the opportunity to perform minor maintenance tasks like cleaning gutters, checking for signs of moisture accumulation, or sealing any gaps. This proactive approach helps prevent small issues from turning into bigger, more expensive repairs, ultimately extending the life of your roof. Quality materials for repairs and installation. When it comes to repairs or new installations, Roofing Macomb services prioritize using high-quality materials that contribute to the durability of your roof. Choosing the right roofing materials can have a significant impact on your roof's performance and longevity. Durable roofing materials. Whether you're installing a new roof or making repairs, experts can help you select materials that are designed to withstand the specific climate and conditions in Macomb. From asphalt shingles to metal roofing or tile roofs, professional roofers will recommend options that provide the best protection and durability. Proper installation. Even the best materials won't last if they are improperly installed. Roofing Macomb services ensure that your roof is installed correctly, with proper alignment, flashing, and sealing. A roof installed with care and precision will be better able to handle the stresses of weather, temperature changes, and the occasional storm, leading to a longer lifespan. Timely repairs. Ignoring roof damage or delaying repairs can significantly reduce the lifespan of your roof. Over time, small issues like leaks, cracks, or loose shingles can lead to more severe problems, including water damage, mold, and even structural issues in your home. Roofing Macomb services can address these issues quickly and efficiently. Prompt action. Professional roofing companies are equipped to identify the cause of the problem and perform necessary repairs right away. Whether it's fixing a minor leak, replacing a few shingles, or sealing flashing, timely repairs prevent the issue from spreading and causing further damage. Water damage prevention. Water leaks are one of the most destructive forces when it comes to a roof's longevity. Roofing experts in Macomb understand the importance of addressing leaks immediately, ensuring your roof stays watertight and free from moisture buildup that can lead to rot, mold, or structural damage. Proper ventilation and insulation. Roofing Macomb services also focus on ensuring your roof is properly ventilated and insulated, which plays a significant role in its longevity. Improper ventilation can lead to overheating in the summer and excessive moisture buildup in the winter, both of which can shorten the life of your roof. Attic ventilation. Roofers ensure that your attic is adequately ventilated to allow airflow, which helps prevent moisture buildup and reduces the risk of damage from heat or ice dams. Good ventilation also helps regulate your home's temperature, reducing energy costs. Proper insulation. Proper insulation in your attic helps prevent heat from escaping in the winter, which can cause ice dams that damage your roof. Insulation also keeps your home cool in the summer, reducing the workload on your air conditioning and protecting your roof from excessive heat. Roof coatings and sealants. Another way Roofing Macomb services can enhance the longevity of your roof is by applying roof coatings or sealants. These products are designed to provide an extra layer of protection to your roof, shielding it from the elements and preventing damage. UV protection. Roof coatings are often designed to reflect harmful UV rays, which can deteriorate roofing materials over time. By applying a protective coating, you prevent the sun's rays from weakening your roof, especially for flat roofs that are more prone to UV damage. Waterproofing. Coatings can also offer waterproofing benefits, which help prevent leaks and protect your roof from moisture damage. This extra layer of protection ensures that your roof stays dry and safe, even during heavy rainfall or snowstorms. Professional advice and guidance. Roofing Macomb services offer more than just installation and repairs. They provide expert advice on how to care for your roof. Whether you're unsure about the best roofing materials for your home or need guidance on maintenance, roofing professionals can help. Roof maintenance plans. Many roofing companies in Macomb offer maintenance plans that allow you to schedule regular inspections and upkeep. These plans help ensure that your roof stays in optimal condition and lasts as long as possible. Long-term care. Roofing experts can also provide guidance on how to protect your roof from damage caused by storms, falling debris, or other environmental factors, helping you maintain its condition over time. Conclusion. Installing or repairing a roof is a significant investment, but with Roofing Macomb services, you can ensure that your roof remains durable and effective for years to come. Through regular inspections, high-quality materials, timely repairs, and proper maintenance, professional roofing services help protect your home from the elements and preserve the integrity of your roof. Whether you're dealing with minor repairs or a full replacement, investing in expert roofing services is one of the best ways to increase the longevity of your roof and protect your home.